Hello everybody, my name is Carissa Ott and I am an incoming freshman at UCLA studying neuroscience as my major, and I am also a recent graduate from Monroe Catholic High School. I did the cognixion project for Pilot City and I'm extremely excited about this project because I love how the company Cognixion combines applied neuroscience with AI technology, all for a great cause to help people with communication disabilities or speaking disabilities to communicate more effectively and really integrate them and limit the way that the disability impacts their life. So for this project, I collected 300 text messages over the course of 3 weeks with 100 text messages every week. So for example, I have hey hey as a text, and then right next to it is a context note that says, first text to my friend, are you vaxxed yet? Asking my friends if they got the COVID vaccine. And it's like this for 100 messages over the course of 3 different weeks. So there are many different random texts, a lot of slang in here. So the point of this project is to essentially collect the vernacular language and the slang of teenagers or the younger demographic in order to help those with speaking disabilities that are around my age, so around the teenagers, young adults, so that they can communicate more easily without sounding super formal with the dictionary language that is already available, and really just kind of modernizing the vocabulary that they have to use within the Speak Pros app, which is the app that Cognixion has developed to allow them to communicate better. So I also just have this tab for feedback because I looked through the Speak Pros app. I really enjoyed the app overall. I think it's very intuitive in its design. I wish there was a way to input your favorite phrases so that you could just hotkey to them. Maybe there's a way and I just couldn't do it from my phone for whatever reason. And I enjoyed the game style learning. So it kind of reminded me of Duolingo in the language learning app. Something that I've actually developed to address the way that to input the favorite phrases is that I made a very crude demo in Java just to kind of demonstrate my idea. But essentially, I had this idea where you could input your own phrases that you make up. So, you know how slang is pretty much developed when people come up with phrases that may be derived from other people's phrases, and then it starts circulating and everything. So the confines of the project where we're collecting other texts and giving it to the people that are not able to communicate properly is that the people might have something that they want to say or may have developed a slang, but there's just no way to input that and say it to people. And they don't have that same luxury as a speaking person would. But with this, right here it says enter start to begin speaking, so you just enter start. And then it gives you a list of 10 common phrases. I used an array list. You could just type in a number, like say I want to say cool beans, so I just hit 9. And then, maybe I'll hit 1, so 5. Now you can type a list to add to, or type a phrase to add to your list of phrases. So let's say that I want to add poggers to my list. Now it says you added poggers to your list of phrases. Would you like to see the whole list? And type in yes, and it says my list with poggers added at the end. So that was just kind of the idea. And another way that it could be done is by having it set to 10 slots, and then you just replace rather than add as you would in an array list. But that was just a demonstration, solely for demonstration purposes of what I was thinking, not necessarily like implementing this exact code. But yeah, other than that, I think that's pretty much what I got. And I'm very excited for this opportunity to learn and hopefully work on this even more in the future. Thank you.